Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. So the first thing you'll have to do is make sure that your headphones are connected with your phone right here. So you'll have to make sure that you have the Bluetooth enabled and your headphones are paired with your Bluetooth. In my case, my Bluetooth is off because this is just an example, but you'll have to make sure that your headphones are connected. After that, in the Discord mobile application, you'll have to go to your profile picture right here and scroll down until you see app settings, and you'll have to select the voice settings right here. So at the output volume, you can scroll up and down right here and see if you are able to hear something. If this is not working right now, you'll have to go scroll down through the settings, and you'll have some advanced settings right here. And you'll have to make sure that you have advanced voice activity enabled, automatic gain control, echo cancellation, and of course you can toggle on this option right here, enable mobile voice overlay. So if you do that right here, this will be something like a fix. This should help you to fix the problem of your headphones not working on your Discord mobile application. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.